Today, we're going to break down the 5 pillars of Islam, the foundation of a Muslim's faith. The first pillar is Shahada, which is the declaration of faith. It is the basic creed that there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. The second pillar is Salah, the practice of ritual prayer 5 times a day. These prayers are performed facing the Kaaba in Mecca. The third pillar is Sawm, the requirement to fast during the month of Ramadan from dawn to sunset. It is a time for spiritual reflection and self-discipline. The fourth pillar is Zakat, the giving of alms to the poor and needy. It is a way of purifying one's wealth and showing compassion for those less fortunate. And finally, the fifth pillar is Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca that every Muslim who is physically and financially able must make at least once in their lifetime. By following these 5 pillars, Muslims strengthen their faith and demonstrate their devotion to Allah. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content on faith and spirituality.